Y'all, where's the deals? Like, I want to know, where are the deals? Like, are they here? Are they there? Are they there? Are they there? Because I don't see no deals. But listen, if you new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow. The tickets like a subscribe. I was like, smash like button, support your girl. Listen, y'all, the deals are not dealing. I did a what do you call it? A little job for field agent at Vons. While I was there, I grabbed a couple things that are freebies, and that's kind of what I've been doing with those little field agent jobs. And so I have 2 freebies there, and then I also have some things that I got from Target as well. This is gonna be like a super small haul. But off topic, I tried that chow mein like Asian deal that we got. Like, was it last week? It was so freaking good. I'll pop up a picture of it right here. So freaking good. Had some sriracha. It was bomb. It was bomb. And I actually love when these apps let us try stuff that we never tried for free, and you actually like it, and you be like, woohoo, I'm a fan. In the comments, let me know, what have you tried recently that you got for free that made you a fan? With that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. I'll also share with you what I got at Vons and Target as well. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Rockstar. Now I did do this in my last video, and it is working for me. And so they're priced at $188. We're grabbing a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $376. I'm getting back 2 on checkout 51, which I am doing first, waiting for it to clear, and then submitting that one on Swagbucks as well for $2 back, making them both free plus a 24-cent moneymaker. And this did work for me on my points, I want to say, and Swagbucks. And so, yeah. Right, next up is the Anthony's pasta. It looks like they're priced at $148. Getting back 40 cents on Ibotta brings it down to $1.08 each. All right, so next up is The Kind. Now, this is a Flavor Wiki offer. I did put a post up on my community tab when we got new offers for this, which I guess by now it's been a couple of days. I think it popped up on Thursday morning. And so one of the items I got approved for is on The Kind. It's on the dark chocolate nuts and sea salt 6 count, which is priced at $7.84. Now for this, it's a 2-part survey. So the first part is the in-store portion. You're getting back $3. And then once you actually do the try it at home part, it's $6. So you're getting back a total of $9. Makes this a $1.16 moneymaker. Now I do have double surveys for this, and so I'll let you know how that works out. Okay, the other one I have is for the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut. It's on the peanut flavor one. These are really good. I think I like these more than I like the Kind one. These are priced at $2.97. It's for the 6 count. Getting back $3 for in-store, $6 for the buy and try portion, which is $9 total. It'll end up making this one a $6.03 moneymaker. Again, I do have double surveys for this, and so I'll let you know if I get back the extra $9 for each offer. And of course, we still have this offer. I was debating if I want to get it. These are all in the wrong spot. Like, these should all be shifted over here. They're $197. I think I'm gonna pass today on this deal. So you'll pay $187. You'll get back $178 on Ibotta. Makes them 19 cents each with a limit of 3. Just a heads up on some peelies. I found some of these a few days ago on the Deep Clean for $2 off. They're on clearance for $9. The other store, these were $3.50. But there's a $3 peely. It's a green one that works on these. If you can find them on clearance for $3.50 for either the purple one or the blue one, it would make those like 50 cents. And I think there might still be Ibotta offers or Walmart rewards, but keep your eyes peeled for these as well. I'm not going to take it because I took a few the other day. So yeah. This next deal is on the Swagbucks. It's on the rents. Now, this location doesn't actually carry it. I did this in my last video. Eunice posted this in one of her last Walmart hauls. And that it was glitching on checkout 51 for the Swagbucks offer there. Now, a lot of you guys said in my last video it's not working for you. It did work for me. So if you're doing that deal, just proceed with caution. All right. And so they are priced at $4.68. 2 is going to be $9.36. You'll get back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. $3 on Swagbucks for 2, and then if it works for you on checkout 51, you'll get back $175 for each. It makes them a 14-cent moneymaker. Now, if that doesn't work on checkout 51, it still makes them $168, which is not necessarily bad. Coupon find. Let me see if these are still been good, because we had found these a while ago. My eyes ain't iron right now. December 31st, 25. Keep your eyes peeled. All right, next up is the Hillshire. It's on the Dip and Spreads. We had this deal a while ago. I'm slowly, patiently, let me say patiently waiting for this offer to continue to go up on the sister apps. So we're grabbing 2 of them priced at $2.97. We'll pay $5.94, getting back $4 on Swagbucks, our other sister apps. Makes it $1.94 for 2 of them, or about 96 cents each, I want to say. I'm hoping this does go up higher on the sister apps, and I'm even hoping tomorrow that we'll get this on checkout 51 as well, making it an even better deal. All right, y'all, so, yeah. Listen, this is my complete haul for today. It's small, I know, but the most exciting thing about this is that it's all food. Like, I get down with that. You know why? Because I likes food. I likes to eat. As a matter of fact, the Nature Valley is probably only one in there, maybe 2. And so this ended up being a pretty awesome haul. I didn't do no Ibotta offers, y'all. I just want to thank Flavor Wiki for coming through, because, I know it's been dry. It's been a little drought over there, but they came through, finally for some offers. Now, for the Nature Valley and the Kind, I did mention that I do have double offers for that. Last time I did get credit, all right? So I am assuming that I will get double credit again. I only did it on my account this time around. I may do it later this week if I have time on Joseph's. I don't know yet. I'll probably at least get the Nature Valleys, because those are bomb. Bonds. I got this, I'm not even going, Amilu, it's chicken sausage, okay? It's a We Stock offer for Vons. I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. I added $6.99, getting back $6.49, makes it a 49-cent or 50-cent cost, which is not bad. This is a freebie this weekend on the Lemon Perfect. Those are priced at $2.99. There's a digital within the app making that free, and for that they have 3 different flavors. I may go back later this weekend and do that on my other 2 accounts. I grabbed the Pringles at Target. They're 2 for $5. Getting back $5 for each on Flavor Wiki makes those a $2.50 moneymaker. The Old Ray, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got that at Target as well. That is a We Stock offer. It was $5.59. You'll get that back. I'll have a link in the Google Doc. The Daily Greens is also a We Stock offer at Target. That was $3.19. Getting that back through We Stock makes that free. I'll have a link in the Google Doc. Did I cover everything? I did. This is such a small haul, but like I said, I'm happy that it's food. I want to try these as well. They look really good with like coffee maybe. Other than that, everything you see here retails $34.57. No sales tax, because this is all food, which is awesome. $2.99 digital from the Lemon Perfect at Vons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $31.58, getting back, hopefully, crossing our fingers and toes, $46 from Flavor Wiki. We stock $15.27, and then I did a field agent at Vons, and that was $3. So getting back a total of $64.27 makes this a $32.69 moneymaker, which is really cool. Now, hopefully, if everything works out on Flavor Wiki and I get back the additional surveys, that will be awesome. I should know for sure probably about Monday, maybe Tuesday, because I think I did those surveys on Friday. I did the Pringles on Thursday. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.